Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add citation in Google Docs. Let's begin. So I've opened my Google document and I'm going to place my citation maybe somewhere next to this paragraph. So I'm going to click next to it. You're simply going to go to the top and then select Tools and then go to the option which says Citations. Then if you go to the right side, there's a little drop down option and it's going to show you the different ways in which you can cite your sources. So there's MLA, APA, and the Chicago author date. I'm going to use MLA at the top and then select add citation source. So under source type, you can choose a book, book section, websites, journal article, newspaper article, and so on. Then access by, you can go to the bottom, select prints, websites, or online database. So I'm going to select book at the top, and then I'm going to say I've accessed the book by website. So from here, it's going to ask you to enter in the ISBN of that book. So I went to Google and I created a new tab and I searched Nature Book ISBN. So I'm going to go to Amazon. Now, this is where you have to pay careful attention. So you're going to look for the book, right? Now, under or next to that book, all the way at the end, it's going to say ISBN 10 or something similar to that. And it's going to give you like a code in which you can copy. You're simply going to highlight that and then select copy, then go back and then paste in the ISBN. So right click, then select paste, then select search. And it's going to give you the name of the title, the publisher, publishing platform, published year, and so on. Then go to the bottom and select continue. So it automatically enters in the various sections of the book, such as the name of the author, middle name, surname, and then the title. And then once you're happy with everything, you can even enter in your town, city, edition, volume, and so on. Go to the bottom and select add citation source. And then it's going to give you an example of what it's going to look like. So it says accessed 19 March 2025. Then go to the bottom and select insert works cited. And there you go. We've added in a citation. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.